Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to fix Instagram Reels trial option not showing. So if Instagram Reels trial option is not showing in your account, there might be various reasons behind it. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Instagram. You can see over here, Instagram has been opened. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Now make sure your account is professional. In the account interface, if you see the option for professional dashboard over here, that means your account is professional. Mostly Reels trial option will only be available for the creator or business account, so make sure to switch for the professional account. If still your problem persists, in that case what you can do is simply look for any update. Sometimes your application might not be updated, so the feature might not be available for you. In that case, what you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Instagram. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Instagram and tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now you can see two options over here, uninstall and open. If you're being able to see the option for update over here, simply tap on it. Wait for a while and your application will be updated and your problem should be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. Simply tap on the uninstall option that you can see right over here on your screen. After that, the application will be uninstalled. Now go ahead and install the application again. Now try opening the Instagram and you'll be able to see the option for Reels trial. So like this, your problem can be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, you can always contact the Instagram support. After that, tell them your problem and your problem can be fixed. So that is how you fix Instagram Reels trial option not showing. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.